Hi there. Look at the wild, the forest I've seen here, shrubs, some greeneries, and all these kind of tall trees, and then comes some development, beautiful place. People can really have a very happy and peaceful and prosperous life here, but it is a very virgin land, all around very virgin land, and one of the best place on the planet Earth to really live, to really enjoy your life, filling your heart and lungs with a lot of pleasure and joy, and there is no dearth of oxygen because all around is just only greeneries, not well developed area, and this is the beautiful nature. And the most charming thing in this beautiful nature is this Viestrom. Look at the green all around, everywhere the beauty. That's why I can tell you the Robert first line, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Beloved friends, this bike fills my heart with energy, enthusiasm, courage, conviction, determination and willpower to live a very healthy, happy, progressive, peaceful and promising life, trying to be always useful, creative, productive, honorable, respectable, kind and compassionate to help every human being. And all the energy and all the enthusiasm I derive from this nature. We being the child of the universe, we have every beauty with us. We have all the power of the universe. Simply we have to be very serious about it. And this Viestrom adds to that beautiful charms, because but for this bike, you cannot tour all the places on your legs. These are the machine legs which can drive through difficult terrains. Of course, Viestrom, this is the baby Viestrom. It does not have that power of its higher siblings, 650, 800D and 1050, but definitely it can serve little bit charms, and you can really have a beautiful driving, soft roading, a sports crossover bike. So dear friends, this I've recently bought it, and that has given me a lot of charms. I drive in such remote areas where rarely will find civilization. One person is there, gentleman. Namaste Anna. Bagunara sir. Bagunnanu. Thank you so much sir. Chala beautiful jaga undi. Beautiful jaga. Chetlavanti మొత్తం మంచి జాగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మీరు రైతు, చాలా మంచి, మీకు ఫీల్డ్ మంచి ఉంది. మీ పేరన్నా? బాలకృష్ణ గారు నమస్కారం. నేను డాక్టర్ బీకే చౌదరి, నాని సిటీకి ఉంటాను. ఈ సిటీ అన్న, కరెక్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ కృష్ణ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ప్లాట్ ఉంది అక్కడ, ఎకరే ఉంది. ఉంది. ఈ సుధాకర్ ఉంది నా ఫ్రెండ్, కొంచెం పెట్టిన అన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ చాలా కృష్ణ గారు మంచి మనిషి. ఐ లవ్ యూ సార్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో మై ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఐ వాజ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ది బ్యూటిఫుల్ నేచర్ and the machine which drives me to such beautiful nature, it is Viestrom. I think you will love this video because it is presenting all the best nature, all around beautiful, all around grace, all around blessings, and then adding to the charm, adding to the enchantment is this little Viestrom, baby Viestrom, and it has a lot of future. This can give opportunity to a lot of the people who want to enter into the adventure bike segments. There are a lot of competitors, dear friends, but it is beating everyone. Suzuki, standards, all are best. Everything is best here, and this is really heartthrob of lot of youngsters who really drive adventure bikes in the beginner scale. Thank you, viewers. Again, watch these beautiful trees, all around greeneries, and everything is so nice. People are so beautiful. This is from Telangana state of India. This state is the most peaceful state and very progressive state. People from different land comes here for job, and nobody is depressed and frustrated. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Humanity, Jai to everyone. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. Thank you again. The focus is this little Vietstrom. Thank you very much.